I was walking into work, I saw a tree that has all kinds of medicine. Do you guys see it? It's the sweet gumball tree. So I went ahead and I grabbed some of these. You want to make sure that you do not get the brown pods. They're no good. You want to get the green balls. But why do you want to get these? Because they are great with shikimic acid. And shikimic acid is the precursor to Tamiflu, the cold medicine. The entire tree, the root, the barks, the seed, the pods themselves are all health medically beneficial. So I grabbed some of these. I took them home. You have to break them open. So I hammered them open. We're going to make a tincture out of this so that we have cough and flu medicine when the season begins. And it's just around the corner, friends. So I have this in a pint jar. I'm going to make my ratio a little bit stronger than normal. I do know that some of this alcohol may be absorbed, so I may have to reopen it, add more alcohol, 100 proof, 50% water, 50% ethanol. It's going to sit for 6 weeks. We have the press and seal so that we don't get any corrosion under the lid. This is great medicine, friends. If you have any questions, let me know. Stay healthy.